Good job, man. Give him some dap. Give him some dap.
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about. Good job, boy. Show him one more time. Show him one more time. Come on. See it, go.
Slam it.
Get it. Oh, grab the ball.
Uh-oh.
Let's go. You gotta score. You gotta hurry up and score. See it, go. Get it. Good job, man. Yeah. Get Noah some dap. Get Noah some dap. Yeah.
Do it one more time. Do it one more time. Do it one more time.
You score one more time.
Watch how he stepped back.
You gotta hype him up to get it. Come on. Let's get it. Come on. Show Noah. Get it. Oh, yeah. Give him some dap. Ow. Yeah.
Chest. What happened to the chest action?
Give me some of that. Ooh, give me some of that. Hey. Didn't that?
No, I'm talking about chest to chest. No,
You might bump Noah out of my head or something. Good job, man. I turned it down for you. Good job.